Every morning, millions of people brew their coffee, prepare their breakfast, and never realize they are ignoring one of the most powerful healing tools sitting right in their spice cabinet. A spice so small yet so mighty that when consumed correctly, it can transform your health within hours. But here's the shocking part. For years, pharmaceutical companies have quietly pushed this ancient remedy into the shadows. Why? Because its healing potential is so profound, it could reduce the need for many expensive drugs. This overlooked spice is none other than the humble clove. And in just 7 days, your body could undergo changes so remarkable they may mean the difference between chronic disease and vibrant health. Hi, this is Marcus from Human Body Wellness, where we are dedicated to providing you with informative and educational content on healthy foods, drinks, and eating habits. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop a comment with your country. Let's see how far our natural health community reaches. Before we dive into the incredible day-by-day transformation, there is something absolutely critical you must understand. If you consume cloves the wrong way, you could miss out on nearly all of their healing power. In fact, many people make this mistake every single day without even realizing it. The secret behind cloves lies in a remarkable compound called eugenol. This is what gives cloves their distinctive aroma and their powerful therapeutic effects. In fact, eugenol makes up between 70 and 90% of clove essential oil. When consumed correctly, it works on the cellular level to protect, repair, and rejuvenate your body. The World Health Organization has even set an official standard. The safe daily intake of eugenol is 2.5 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. For most adults, that equals about 2 whole cloves per day. Interestingly, that small amount delivers the optimal therapeutic dose, giving you maximum benefits without risk. But here's where most people go wrong. They reach for powdered cloves that have been sitting on the shelf for months. Unfortunately, once cloves are ground, they lose much of their potency. Fresh, whole cloves contain far higher concentrations of active compounds. And heat is another enemy. Excessive cooking destroys delicate eugenol molecules, leaving you with little more than flavor. That's why proper preparation is everything. When consumed fresh and correctly, cloves become one of the most powerful healing spices on earth. And once you understand this preparation secret, you'll be ready to witness what happens inside your body, day by day, starting from the very first clove. Day-by-day transformation timeline. Day 1, the antioxidant surge. Within hours of chewing just 2 fresh cloves, your body enters an antioxidant revolution. Cloves are one of the richest natural sources of antioxidants, more powerful than many fruits and vegetables. These antioxidants immediately begin neutralizing harmful free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage DNA and accelerate aging. Your cells also start boosting glutathione, often called the master antioxidant, which protects your brain, heart, and blood vessels. By the end of day 1, your body is already more protected against oxidative stress, a key driver of heart disease and cognitive decline. Day 2, your immune system awakens. On the second day, cloves begin showing their antimicrobial strength. The eugenol circulating in your bloodstream helps your white blood cells identify and destroy bacteria, viruses, and even fungi more efficiently. Studies show that within 48 hours, immune cells like natural killer cells and neutrophils become more responsive. For you, this means fewer seasonal colds, a stronger defense against flu viruses, and improved resilience during stressful times. Day 3, blood sugar and metabolism reset. By day 3, something remarkable begins to happen. Your body's ability to regulate blood sugar improves. Eugenol, along with cloves' natural manganese, enhances your cell's sensitivity to insulin. This means glucose is absorbed more effectively, leading to more stable energy and fewer sugar cravings. Research shows that even a few days of clove intake can lower post-meal blood sugar. Many people notice fewer afternoon energy crashes and sharper mental clarity at this stage. Day 4, liver detox and repair. Your liver, the master detox organ, begins to respond strongly by day 4. Cloves protect liver cells from oxidative stress and support natural regeneration. Eugenol has been shown to reduce inflammation in the liver and help it repair damaged tissue. This means toxins are flushed more efficiently, medications are processed better, and overall metabolism improves. People with sluggish digestion often begin noticing lighter, easier digestion and improved energy at this stage. Day 5. Cardiovascular strengthening. On the 5th day, the heart and blood vessels start receiving deeper support. Eugenol helps reduce inflammation inside arterial walls, making blood vessels more flexible and responsive. Research also shows cloves can help lower LDL cholesterol and improve circulation. With improved oxygen and nutrient delivery, you may notice better stamina, brighter skin tone, and even improved focus. Blood pressure often shows measurable improvements in just days of consistent clove use. Day 6. Anti-cancer protection. By day 6, cloves are activating more advanced cellular defenses. Their compounds stimulate apoptosis, the natural death of damaged cells, which prevents them from becoming cancerous. They also support DNA repair mechanisms, reducing the risk of dangerous mutations. Scientific studies suggest clove consumption is linked to lower rates of digestive cancers, such as colon and gastric cancer. While cloves are not a magic bullet, they provide your body with powerful long-term protection against abnormal cell growth. Day 7. Pain relief and inflammation control. On the 7th day, cloves reveal another gift: natural pain relief. Eugenol is a mild anesthetic that helps numb discomfort while also calming inflammation. People with chronic joint pain, arthritis, or sore muscles often report noticeable relief by this stage. The anti-inflammatory effect doesn't just ease pain, it also supports heart health, immune balance, and brain function. By day 7, your body has entered a new rhythm of healing, and many people describe feeling lighter, clearer, and more energized. And this is only the beginning. Each day builds on the last, creating a powerful cycle of protection and renewal. But to truly experience these results, you must use cloves the right way. So next, let's talk about the correct method to unlock their full healing potential. Proper usage instructions. Now that you've seen the incredible changes that cloves bring to your body, it's time to learn the most effective way to use them. First and most importantly, always choose whole cloves, never pre-ground powder. Once cloves are ground, their therapeutic compounds, especially eugenol, begin to evaporate quickly, leaving you with flavor but little healing power. The optimal dose for most adults is 2 whole cloves per day. The best time to take them is after a meal, ideally breakfast. This timing protects your stomach, improves absorption, and helps maintain steady levels of eugenol throughout the day. The most powerful method is to chew the cloves slowly, allowing the compounds to mix with saliva and enter the bloodstream directly through the mouth's mucous membranes. Yes, the taste is strong and spicy, but that intensity signals potency. If chewing feels too overwhelming at first, you can crush the cloves and mix them with a little honey or steep them in warm water for a mild tea. Consistency is key. Taking your cloves at the same time each day helps your body build up the protective benefits. One important note: more is not better. Never exceed 2 cloves per day, as higher amounts can irritate the stomach and even stress the liver. Store your cloves in an airtight container, away from heat and light, to preserve their full potency. Now, while cloves are safe for most people, there are important cautions you must know before beginning this routine. Let's cover those safety warnings next. Important safety warnings. Even though cloves are natural, they are also incredibly potent, so it's important to use them wisely. First, cloves can slow blood clotting. If you are taking blood-thinning medications such as warfarin, or if you have a bleeding disorder, you must consult your healthcare provider before adding cloves to your daily routine. Second, avoid clove essential oil by mouth. Even small amounts can cause severe side effects, including liver damage, fluid imbalances, or even seizures. Whole cloves are safe in the recommended amounts, but the concentrated oil should never be swallowed. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should limit their use of cloves to normal culinary amounts, since higher therapeutic doses have not been proven safe. People with acid reflux, stomach ulcers, or known clove allergies should also be cautious, as cloves may aggravate symptoms in sensitive individuals. Finally, know the signs of taking too much: burning in the mouth, stomach upset, or unusual bleeding. If you notice any of these, stop immediately and consult a professional. Once you understand these boundaries, cloves become a safe and powerful ally, and when used consistently, they can transform from a 7-day boost into a lifelong habit for health. Let's explore how to optimize cloves for the long term. The first 7 days with cloves can feel transformative, but the real magic happens when you make them a consistent part of your life. To do this, treat cloves as more than just a spice. Make them part of a daily ritual. One powerful strategy is to keep a simple health journal. Write down how you feel each day, your energy, digestion, sleep, and mood. Over time, you'll begin noticing patterns that show just how deeply cloves are working for you. You can also combine cloves with other spices for even greater benefits. Cinnamon pairs beautifully for blood sugar control. Ginger enhances anti-inflammatory and digestive support. And black pepper improves absorption of key compounds, helping you get even more from your cloves. Always store your cloves in a cool, dark place in a tightly sealed jar. Freshness matters, and you'll know they're still potent if they have a strong aroma. And remember, cloves are not a standalone solution. Stay hydrated, eat whole foods, move your body, and sleep well. Together, these create a powerful foundation for lifelong health. Now that you know how to make cloves part of your daily life, let's bring it all together with a final message of motivation. You've now seen how something as small as 2 tiny cloves can spark a complete transformation in just 7 days. From antioxidants protecting your brain and heart, to your immune system becoming stronger, your liver detoxifying, and even relief from pain, cloves are truly one of nature's greatest gifts. But remember, this is only the beginning. Cloves are not just a one-week experiment. They are a stepping stone in a much larger journey toward vibrant, lasting health. Every small choice you make, every natural remedy you embrace, adds up to a healthier and happier life. If this message inspired you, type yes in the comments and let us know you're ready to begin your own transformation. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural health discoveries. Here's to your health, your energy, and your future.